How's it going, everybody? I'm Christopher Rogers, MarineMax Clearwater. You can call me Mr. Rogers, even though I'm not wearing a cardigan. I want to show y'all this beautiful 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX. So first thing you'll notice is the 300 horsepower Mercury. This will get you going up to 45 miles an hour. And as you'll see, when you walk on the boat, we have this beautiful, spacious sun pad, so you can get some sun. And if you're at the sandbar, you can easily get out in the sun, watch everybody swimming and having fun. As you get on the boat, you'll see immediately just how much space there is for people to lounge out, have a good time, socialize, make those memories, right? And the lighting really can set the mood. And we have this wonderful bimini top, and it covers you up from the sun when you want to get out of it. On the helm, you'll notice you can even, there's a button here, you push this, it slides, so you have more room, and you can be driving and sitting right here with the two Simrads. You can have one for chart plotting, one for all the Mercury systems. And then we have space for our co-captain. And one really cool thing is the 25-foot has a pretty spacious head, and there's even a place to lay down in there to get away from the sun even further. And we have this ventilation shaft you can open and close easily. So up on the bow of the boat, there's a place for a table and just tons of space, very, very large, gunnels, so that you can, it's safe up here with the larger gunnels. And then we have our windlass anchor up here with a fresh water hose, which makes bringing up the anchor very easily, so that you can wash it down so it doesn't corrode. All right, guys. So thanks for walking through the 2025 Sea Ray 250 STX with me. If you want more information, just ask for Mr. Rogers. You can call me at 985-951-0112. Thanks.